we are just going to learn about how to find the value of x, y and z. And in the previous video I have already posted the properties of the quinterior angles, alternate angles and corresponding angles. So in the same way, by using them we are just going to solve these questions here, and we will just find the value of x, y and z. Now here I have one question, and these questions we are just going to solve now, and let's see how we can solve the questions, how we can find the angles here. And if you can see here, whenever we start solving the questions here, we start from the solution there. So this figure we have, so solution, and now first we have to find the value of z, y and x. So it is very simple to find the value of z, because now suppose if we remove this and this one, if you do not see this all, then you can see this is a straight angle, and we know that the straight angle is always of 180 degree. So now if we do the sum of these two angles, then it will be 180. Now let's see how we can get the value of z. Here we have to write the sum here, z degree plus we have 60 degree here is equal to 180. Z plus 60 is 180. How? Because it's a straight angles, and the sum of the angle of a straight angle is always 180. That's why we have written here z plus 60 is equal to 180. Now we need to give the reason why we have written so. So it is just like this. The reason is what? Sum, or being straight angle, you can say being or straight angles, being straight angles, or here after this always if equal to is already in the questions, then we have to use or here, like I have written here. Now after this, now let this number later this variable to be in the same side, and change the number or bring this number to the another side, to the right side. So if you bring there, so there is equal to, there is 180 degree, and the 60 degree will come to this side. So here the sign of 60 is plus, so now when it change its side, then it will be minus, its sign is changed. So we write here minus 60 degree. Now why minus degree? Because why there is minus? Because here it is in plus, and when we change its side, it just changes sign there and it become minus. Now or z is equal to, when we subtract them we will get 120. It means what? The value of z is what? 120 degree. We got the value of z is 120. Now we got the value of z. Now we need to find the value of y. Yes. So to find the value of y, normally what we have to do here, one very easy trick is there. There is the vertically opposite angles. Okay, here you can see there is 75 degree. Now just opposite of this angle, which one is there? You can see this is the vertically opposite to this angle. Yeah. So we have the property that the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So now this 75 is equal with this one also. It means this angle is also how much? 75, because vertically opposite angles. Now if we find these angles here, if you see this, now it forms here a triangle. Let's take the triangle here. Let's take the triangle now here, and also we know that if we do the sum of the angle of triangle, then it will be always 180. Okay, if you add the three angles of triangle, it will be 180. So now you can see here, this is 1, 2 and 3 angles are here. Now let's use them. So here, or again we can say, if you just take the triangles there is y degree plus there is 75, and here you can see there plus 60. Now three angles we are adding of a triangle, so its sum will be 180. So it will be 180 80. And now region, sum of angle of triangle, sum of angles of triangle, angles of sum of angle of triangles, triangle only, okay, not triangles, triangle, no, sum of angle of triangles here. Now after this or y, let's add this number here, and when we add them here, how much we will get there? 135, 135, okay. By adding this, we got 135 degree and equal to 180. Yes. Now again this number will go to the number side. Yes, this will go to the this side here. So or y degree plus no, plus not, because this is changing the sides. So equal to 180 degree, and this will change its sides, and now it is in plus. So here it will be minus 135 degree. Now after this we can subtract it, and now when we subtract, what we will get? Or y is equal to, when we subtract this 100 that's already subtracted, and there is 80 and 35, there will be 45 degree. It means that the value of y is 45 degree. The value of y is how much? 45 degree. Now which one is remaining? You can see there is x. Now x is remaining. Now what we can do, I have not written the names here, so you can just put the names so that it will be easy for you to solve the questions, okay. And but I have not written the names, only I will just guide you how it comes there. So say like this line and this line, they are parallel to each other, they are parallel to each other, and when the two lines are parallels, and then if any line is bisecting them, then at that time we can see that corresponding angles or cointerior angles, this we can just use there. So which we can use here? Let's see. These angles we don't know. What is the value of this angle? We don't know. So let's just let it be. Okay. Let's this angle be B. And now what we can do here? I will just write here. After this I will write here. Now here these are the alternate angles. You can see this is one parallel line and this is another. These two lines are parallel to each other, and in the previous video I have already taught you there, when you see a Z there, then remember it's alternate angles, okay. And properties of alternate angle is they are always equal to each other. So this line, if you see, it's making Z here. You can see Z, yes, from here to here it's making Z. So this angle and this one is alternate angles, and alternate angles are always equal. So we know that here B degree is equal to Y degree. Reason BEINZ, being TERNATE, alternate angle, being alternate angle. And now this B is B and X, they are vertically opposite angles. Yeah, see these angles, these are vertically opposite angles. So we can say or we can just write here B is equal to, what is the value of Y? 45. So we have written here 45. And now here again you can see here we need the value of X. So X equal to B, X is equal to B. Reason is what? Vertically opposite angle. So in reason you can write vertically opposite angle, okay, vertically opposite angle. Now X is equal to, we have the value of B, yes, it is 45. So it means that the value of X is also 45. So we got the value of Z, we got the value of Y, and we get the value of X. So in this way we can find the value of these angles here, and according to this we can solve the questions. And if you have any confusion here in being like we can say alternate angles or cointerior angles or corresponding angles, you can just watch my previous video that I have already posted. So this is for today.